everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is about how to wire a pro thermostat. This thermostat is for underfloor heating, so I'm gonna show you how to wire it to the mains and to the underfloor heating. First, the metal back box for the thermostat. It has to be deep enough to accommodate the thermostat. So as you see, I've got three sets of wires here. This is the supply. This is going from the mains, from the consumer unit. This is 2.5 twin and earth, and is protected by 16 amp MCB at the consumer unit. These two wires are going from the underfloor heating mat, and the thin wires are just from the tester, from the probe, which is located also under the underfloor heating mat. All the earthing wires are wired to the one point at the back of the back box. So before I show you how to wire a thermostat in a metal box, have a look at some calculations and ways of wire a thermostat to the mains. Most electric underfloor heating thermostats have a maximum loading of 16 amps. Typical underwood mat has output of 140 watts per square meter. And that means that 10 square meter mat has got 1400 watts divided by the voltage, and it gives you an electrical current of 6.08 amps. So the 16 amp thermostat times 230 volts gives 3680 watts. And this means that you can wire to it a maximum of 26 square meters of heating mat or mats. So now a few samples of how to wire a thermostat to the mains. First one is most convenient because you can wire it to the existing socket outlet. Just make sure the circuit of the socket outlet is protected by RCD. So then you need to make a spare from socket outlet and install a fused connection unit, FCU, with 13 amp fuse in it. Lead 2.5 twin and earth cable from socket outlet to the FCU and from FCU to the thermostat. So in this way of wiring, because you've got the 13 amp fuse at the FCU, so the mat is limited to 13 amp. Another way of wiring the thermostat to the mains is straight to the consumer unit. Obviously the circuit has to be RCD protected as well. So in between the thermostat and the consumer unit you need to install the 20 amp double pole switch. Lead the 2.5 twin and earth cable from the consumer unit to the switch, and also from the switch to the thermostat. And remember that the thermostat rating is still 16 amp. The third sample is when you install a mat or mats that the total load exceeds the 16 amp, basically the rating of the thermostat. So then you need to install the device called contactor. So now let's go back to the physical wiring of a thermostat. So let's open the thermostat. You need a flat screwdriver to do it. You just push these two bits inside. Then you need to disconnect this tape of wires. And at the back of the thermostat you've got a set of terminals and also a sticker that shows what goes where. So basically these two first are for the sensor, then the middle one are for underfloor heating mat. Obviously brown is live, so you connect here, blue is a neutral, you connect here, and the last two are for the cable from the mains, 2.5 twin and earth. Also blue neutral you connect here, and the live into here. So first you need to lose these terminals a bit. Make it space, especially for the twin and earth cable. So let's wire the thermostat. First, these two sensor wires. There are two colors, but the colors doesn't matter. You just need to plug one into this terminal, another one into next one. So now let's put the wires from the underfloor heating mat. There are two stranded wires. First the live we put to the brown one to the L. And now the blue neutral to the N. And now we've got the cable from the mains, from the consumer unit. They're also brown and blue, so blue neutral, brown the live. So we use blue for the N and brown for the L. So the first two are sensor, doesn't matter the color. These two wires are from underfloor heating mat, goes in the middle, and these two twin and earth, 2.5 twin and earth going into the AC 230 volts. So now we can pack all the wires gently inside, and they supply two screws. So we need to screw this plate. So now we need to connect this block the same way as it was before. And close it. So as you see, this is working now. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like my channel, please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.